A lot of people ask me why I prefer to do a Mako for my total knee arthroplasties rather than the traditional total knee replacement. For me, it's kind of like using a GPS system when you're in your car. We all know how to go from home to work perfectly fine without using the GPS system, but when you use the GPS system, you're gonna know different routes that you can take, what traffic is on those different routes, and even during the actual route itself, if there's a new traffic jam, it'll give you a different way to go around. We know how to do the knee from beginning to end, but doing it with the Mako, it gives us real-time data so that while we're in surgery, we can manipulate things to make sure that we're getting the best result possible and doing it in the safest and most efficient way we can. Not only do I have the opportunity to do Mako total knee arthroplasty, but I have an opportunity to do that at Ortho Colorado, which is Colorado's only orthopedic specialty hospital. Every single nurse, every staff member, all they do is orthopedics, and they're specialized in taking care of your problem. Add in some of the newest and best technology in orthopedics, it's really a match made in heaven.